everything 100.
100. Oh, good.
Yeah. That's all.
Nangita pa may angay paliton, pero kanitanan siya dire 100. Hi, Abby.
He's looking for a Christmas tree.
Yes. Yes. Nya, kung na may mapilian, gabson. Gabson siya. Okay.
Ayan, Chelsea.
Ah.
How about this one? Check now if this is fine.
Yeah.
You take a photo before we cut it.
Do you think so?
Hindi ka to eh.
Ayaw kana sakto na. Perfect na sa tong lugar.
Tunga, ganun na tunga.
But what are you doing?
Dako ra pud to. Kani siya nindot ni. Nindot ni.
Wa ano do?
Ayaw.
Tumoy.
Ayaw nagwae kana siya nindot na siya.
Ano siya? Okay. Hindi take a photo.
Oh. Puto. Ay, kato na lang, kato. Tas to nga. You hold. You hold. Make a video. Make a video, okay?
Kani?
I think that's all.
Labo ngayon.
Oh, labo. Oh, kani oh. Kani. Kani siya. Mahal na yun, dahil. Kahit kuhaan siya ba?
Vlogger Abby. So hard. If you change the energy in the chunks, and then it will make it like, if you do it too fast, it becomes like thin. It becomes thin, like kind of like that tree over there. But if you do it slowly, and the trees do it slowly, then it will become like this thick. I have a joke, okay? If you would not like to cut this tree, then I would leave you alone. Get it?
Oh.
Wa ni.
Oh. Duha ka layer tang-tang. Kani o kani.
Oh, Are you done?
Abby.
okay. Just click that one here.
This one?
Hey, Chelsea, picture Chelsea.
Here?
1, 2, 3.
Smile ka.
1, 2.
Gahi man di ay siya. Dilimpyuhan. Dilimpyuhan. Wala na. Dilimpyuhan na lang daan, no? Kaya para di na siya madang sa balay ang mga tuan. Yeah. So, kamo, wala pa naka kuan Christmas tree. Oh, dagan na kay naputol diri o tanawa. Oh, nanay putol. Oh, guys, oh. Nanay nga putol. Oh. Putol. Oh, nanay namalit ganiha mo na apta na namalit. No? Okay? Oh. Ilahag din ang negosyo. No? So, ikaw nga, mapalit sa kay Christmas tree, pag 200, 300 sa wherever, sa kapalit niya, plastic pag yun, kani siya real, tinuod yun. Mo namin experience me tinuod nga Christmas tree. No, guys? Yeah, daghang pa nag-abot-abot kay mo palit diri og Christmas tree. Guys, no? Nan pag-iya dito. Sino ba o? Ano may istorya? Sila ra ang mapalit ang mga istorya ang akong anak ug ang magad. No? It's already
Is that y'all? Yeah. I'm Vlogger Abby. I have a chainsaw. It's dead. Alright. We found our tree. Happy, happy, happy. Do you know what they are? Do you know how we're gonna bring it to our house with our car? Because it takes 40 minutes to reach there.
I feel like it's gonna be on top of our car.
Yeah, same. It's the other one because they had a small space where they could put their gap, but then it was too small at the back of the car, so they put it on top of the car. 3 people have to carry it. What?
Even Lolo needs to carry it, but he's so far.
I'm Vlogger Abby. I'm taking a video. Say hi, Jessie.
Hi. We have a tree, and Papa cuts it, and then we are gonna bring it back to our home.
Goes to the world turns around.
I said, make sure you don't make it fall down.
No worries. I have this on, so if it falls down, whoop. After.
Daddy, it looks like a rock. Lolo, come on.
Bye bye, trees. I'm Vlogger Abby.
Okay, thank you.
Is it fun out there? Can I go inside?
Not yet, not yet.